So guys, now in this SS7 tutorial, we would like to do like how we would like to track a aeroplanes. Okay, so in real time case scenarios, so we have like a ADBS tracker already. Like it's like a home assistance, like a custom component for tracking, like aircrafts, either like a military, either like private jets, either like any other things, jets. We would like to set up using with our hacker one. Okay, so you just need to be plug your hacker F1 and do a simple things here. So this is already as inbuilt. You don't need to be do anything else here as a aircraft engine here. We would like to see there is like a multiple things like we would like to try to look it out here. So in this case, like a aircraft tracker for home assistance, what are the main features we are going to be getting out here? So the main features we are going to be getting out here as aircraft tracking. So in real time, in your particular exact locations, like what type of real-time aircraft, which aircraft, in which altitude they are going to be traveling from whichever your sitting place. Okay, and detailed aircraft informations like a tail number, flight, altitude, speed type, etc. things. And also we would like to look like a top three closest aircraft, which is like a compressive details and aircraft type and database. We get like 85,000 plus aircraft models. That's quite interesting. And we can also get it this one as very exactly and clearly, but that I would like to show you at the end of the moment. Like you if you want to get like anything like in the smart notifications or etc things, you can enable it. And even you can get like a voice supports and TDS friendlies, what's their routing, how their flights is moving, flight numbers. That's it. You cannot able to get full in details like a runtime configurations, customs, and etc things. And this is like we require like a Linux versions about 2023 or newer one. So that is we are already has installed in the Dragon OS. Now we also introduced like a fundamentals for SS7, like a signaling protocols, like explaining how SS7, SIGTRAN, SCTPs, and M3 UA, SCCPs, and TCAP and GSM map work together in modern like telecommunication. This section is strictly like educational focused, like a protocol architecture and offline packet analysis using like a Wireshark. Either you can do also with a Wireshark, quite interesting. And it does not demonstrate like a encourage like unauthorized access, but you can going to see only, but you cannot able to do anything else. So uh, we would like to try to look it out here, except things here. Now let's we would like to try to come back here. I would like to try to do here as let's we would like to try to look here. So I have made something as a list like a air.txt. So either you would like to utilize as Airspy as uh, ADSB, etc. things. So you can also look like here the flight, but I have got like an hexadecimal model and more like a net authorities. So but I didn't get like as flight numbers, altitude, speed, hedge, latitude. But I have getting like some others like either private jet, either like helicopter, either like something else. I'm just seeing as a results. So you just need to be enter only this command, dump 1090. So even you can get like this one as let me. I would like to try to show you here as a dump 1090 as GitHub. So that's take a little bit lengthy time process. It's a simple mode S decoder with RTL and SDR. We can look like here as a flightware discussion. So even you can also look it out here as a flightware discussions. How this is going to be discussed here. So you just need to be unzip here. Then you just need to be installed dump 1090 and interactive mode. We would like to try to run this one also, does not matter as interactive mode, and we can see like a lot of things. We would like to also get like a local host also. That's quite interesting. We would like to try to do this one as a dump 1090. So that's most important here for your SS7 practicals. So you have seen here, in this case, you have seen only one thing. In reality cases, you can try to look it out here. Country, departure to destinations, altitude, speed, latitude, longitude, hedge, uh, uh, distance, and messages, what's they sending, and scenes, and ICO, call signs, etc. things. We are going to be seeing like etc. clear information, clear cut informations here. Now, I would like to try to make it as a little bit zoom here. You can look like here as very, very clear. You're going to be looking out here. That's a very cool thing here to make it like very good. Now, now I would like to try to quit it out this one because I don't want to continue. Now just type here as list minus air. Okay, no worries. CDC. I would like to put here. Now we would like to try to go back here. Dump. Minus minus, we would like to try to go for here as help. Interactive. Then put it here as interactive. Then enable like a network with the default ports. Okay. So I just want to put it here. Let me just type it as clear. Okay, it's showing like a no supported devices are not found. I just unplug it. Okay, now let's just type it as hackrf info. Now this is quite clear. Uh, it's showing like a unknown starting up, like this have issue to start. We would like to try to look here as which dump 1090 FA. There is no FA is installed. We would like to try to install sudo apt get install as a dump 1090 FA. Enter your password. It's going to be get as a error. So in that case, we would like to try to install it. Either if you want like a graphical user interfaces, you just need to be install here as this one. It's more important. Like you want to do it with the graphical interfaces, everything. Let's. This is the best one. So this is not going to be support for Blade RF or Hack RF, otherwise Lime SDR, otherwise SOPI SDR. So that's only supporting for like a only RTL SDR because I have Hack RF one. So that's the we cannot able to get at the moment for the graphical user interfaces. Uh, yeah, I think after this one, I hope so. Uh, I think we're going to be getting out after this one. We would like to try here. So this is as a install. Let's we would like to try to look it out here. This is done. I think it's taking a little bit lengthy time process again. Dump 1090. After this, what's this going to be doing out? So it's installed for their requirements. Then again, it's try to cloning the repositories as dump 1090 as FA source code. And then it's going to be building it here. So after this building, you're going to be getting out. So it may take most lengthy time process for our SS7 practicals here. So, but we don't have choice. We just need to be wait here because it's take a lengthy time process. So before these installations, so we would like to try to go back here. So this is like a normal way, and some others like uh, flight trackers live. So some others, the peoples they're going to be ask like you just need to be take premium to track etc things. Like you can look like here as flight trackers as well as flight trader and plane finder. You can choose any live plane whichever is going to be moving out here that you're going to be identify etc things here as a plane. You can look it out here. So you can search like any plane number, either like you can put like here as FD137 Royal filing like doctor service, Thai Air Asia. We would like to try to look it out here. You can look like here as accepted to departure in 5 hours 35 minutes from Thailand. It's like this and all like for a rain much here. You can look like here 825 to 1041. You can look like bank up to bank for India. So you can try to search like multiple things here. So in this case, you're going to be getting out here very clearly. Either you want to search like many in detail here as etc things. So you would like to try to search it out with this. So either you want to give your live location. So you just put like here as live locations that you're going to be getting out here as a live location. So but for live locations, they just not going to be asking you much things. So we would like to try to look it out here as we would like to try to look here as what is the flying plane informations. You can look like here as Danang to KTI. Quite interesting. The same thing here. I think this is what's done. So now which is was installed. Now we just type here as which dump 1090 FA. Yes. Now this is installed. Now we would like to try to still it's not go for supported for any other platforms here. So it's going to be supporting only for RTL SDR. So compared to RTL SDR, we just required for further things like a Blade RF, otherwise Lime SDR for doing the high practicals. That's it. So compared to this one, we would like to try to look it out here as another thing. Now we would like to try to look it out here. So I have got like another plane here. Now it can look like here as one more plane. You can see here we are going to be getting out here like messages, DBS voice power, because now the rain is started. It's as interrupted like a message received, accepted. So in the terminal, it's going to be support like a 18 messages with the signal power above like a -3 decibels frequencies with uncategorized. We're going to be getting out here a very clear messages. That's it. So in next tutorial we would like to try to solve another tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.